Hey boys, girls and miscellaneous, this is Critic. This video is actually going to show up on my brother's channel. Brother from another mother, Emmanuel. He has his channel name is Meet the Foreigner. So he's now posting short videos from everywhere that he has been. Today we're trying to make like a video. Hopefully it's gonna be, I don't know, something good about some new. So he got some mats for his Tesla Model X over there. He's now trying to summon the car out of that carport. Hopefully it is going to happen. Otherwise, oh no, he will have to drive it out. So yeah, let's see what's going to happen. Apparently nothing yet. Welcome back. After about 10 minutes or so of trying to summon the Tesla Model X out of the garage.
Hundreds of them.
Yeah, so it is definitely a fail. I'm hoping to persuade Emmanuel just to drive it the normal way, to drive it out.
Tim Cook done it wrong with his.
Yeah, that's gonna require a lot of bleeping on your channel, Emmanuel.
Beep, beep, beep.
Shall we like drive it normally, like the old-fashioned way? We're gonna drive it the old-fashioned way out of that carport. That's the noise from internal combustion engine car. This is not the Tesla, obviously.
That's the sound to be continued.
That is a great sound of the Trabant. So now that the car is out, we're gonna go straight to unboxing those mats that Emmanuel bought for the Tesla. Okay, Emmanuel, just I don't know, let's get started with the unboxing. You have a knife?
Yes, I do have my trusty little knife right here.
That's not a knife.
No, this is a knife.
Oh man, this has been done so many times.
We get these nice mats from Diamond Mats. It took a month to have them delivered, but hopefully it was worth it. We will see now. Ooh. Put the knife away. They do look interesting. Okay.
Show it to the camera a little bit.
Look, Matt! With this one being probably the passenger.
I would say take both of them, go in front of the car, and like we'll make a thumbnail out of it.
Pretty solid.
I cannot see the Tesla logo. No, still not. Snapshot and make it a thumbnail.
And yeah, I think this one goes through the driver's side. Out with the old.
Okay, now that Emmanuel has vacuumed a little bit, let's try the new mats on the Tesla Model X. Oh man, that's good presentation. What are those? What is that?
This is something that spins around.
Okay.
You spin me round.
Okay, so we'll see what those things are going to do.
My intuition tells me that these are to hold this secure in place. They're gonna go underneath the plastic bit over there, down there.
Most likely, yeah.
Right there. And I can see a bit of Velcro here as well.
Oh man, that's really well
Velcro
done,
here,
isn't it?
and yeah, of course, yeah. Oh, so it's supposed to be like that, yeah.
That's an old car with...
RS3. Let's see.
Okay, does it fit well?
Doesn't fit well in here. I think it's gonna go a bit like that. I'm not sure if that's the case or I've done something wrong. One, two.
I don't know.
This one definitely fits well in here, so should be all right in this area. It goes well down here as well. I think up here, let's look for these bits.
It's not look very interesting.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Emmanuel has like a lot of cameras mounted. By a lot, I mean two. So there's like a normal dash cam, and I'm not sure my camera can pick this up. This is a GoPro Hero 7 Black. Yeah, so mid-process we realized that these diamond, is it diamond?
Yeah, they call diamond, probably because they have diamond shapes.
Probably, yeah, diamond mats. They require like a lot of work to fit this. But we'll get there, and
eventually.
Already looks pretty premium.
And they do feel premium as well. Ooh, this one goes well in here.
Looks like a Bentley now.
Yeah, so I'll have to buy some Velcro tape and retrofit it, because this one is not secure.
That's so, I don't know, unpleasant.
It is indeed, yeah, especially that these ones are not the cheapest ones on the market.
Can we tell
you would expect more.
the viewers how much they were?
285 pounds, that in US dollars would be about 350 or something like that.
So that's like a lot of money.
For some mats.
It's like the price of that car over there, or this one. So as we said earlier, I think we've said it, it looks pretty premium, looks good, but when it comes to packaging, it was shipped and it has these creases I guess.
All over the place.
Yeah, so
poor packaging. It's been shipped via EMS China, something like that. So
yeah, anyway.
Crap.
So
look at that.
guys from Diamond, you could have done like a better job when it comes to packaging, but anyway, we're nitpicking right now. So again, what we've realized when it comes to attention to detail, there is actually some protective film?
Yeah.
I guess, but Emmanuel has discovered that also
Piece of string.
it has like wonky
string.
yeah, strings, and this makes it less premium somehow. So yeah, but again, we're nitpicking. So
shit, it's not coming off.
okay, so let's do the reveal of the Diamond logo. It's not really iPhone unboxing experience.
Ish. I'll put this one there and I'll take it later. I was about to damage this mat on these hooks, which I've bought off Amazon, because guys on Tesla didn't think that we may want to hang some things.
They haven't been producing, like making cars for a long time. Like
yeah, but still, the guys who build this are drivers as well. They own their own cars, so they should know. They should think about these things. It's not like they've invented the car now.
So,
it's been there for a long time.
There you go.
Gotten inspiration from the existing ones.
there you Tesla people.
There is a cable hanging underneath the seat.
Yeah, I'm not sure I can pick it up.
It looks like one of the ones that you have on the bicycle. For the brake.
So now I'm here and I can see, and I think the camera can pick up. This cable looks like, what does it look like, Emmanuel?
Like the one that you have on the brakes on the bicycle.
Exactly what I was
pretty
thinking
sure
of.
didn't leave my bicycle down here. So, ooh, there are more cables.
Yeah,
but at least the other ones are concealed, while this one is exposed. I'm sure it wasn't supposed to be there.
Yeah, pretty wonky design when it comes to.
What's up, guys? While fitting this floor mats, we've discovered that there is some grease coming off the seat slides. Actually, from all of them. Luckily, we got something left after the lockdown and the pandemic, which is the trusty toilet paper.
But
okay.
These cars, don't they get PDI before? So people that don't know, PDI means pre-delivery inspection. So it wasn't really inspected. Like, look at this.
Yeah, but depends who's done it. But yeah, quality control in Tesla, I think it doesn't exist then. Which obviously doesn't.
Seva done a great job today.
Of course, yeah.
Well done.
Product placement, yeah. Thank you, Seva, for the money.
So the next step is the last piece of the puzzle. It's the for the boot or trunk. Should we say boot or trunk?
Boot/trunk.
Yeah.
Depends where you guys are watching from.
But I noticed there's something like, for example, are we gonna be able to use these compartments still? Okay, so that's.
We'll probably use this one, probably not that one. So we'll have to take this one away. Once again, this one is folded. And it's creased all over the way. You can see better on the back. It's already damaged. Right. This one is crap. All this stick on top of that one. Ah, no. So as you can see, it looks wonderful. Really secured. There's only two pieces of Velcro, one on top, one on the bottom, and has two on the sides as well. But guess what? Look at that. Velcro right here on the side is falling exactly on this plastic bit. Ooh, cannot stick. So well done, guys. Well done. I'll just have to buy tons of Velcro and try and secure it in place by myself.
So the mats are all fitted
In place.
on the car. Emmanuel, you're the owner, you're the guy who paid for the mats, so what do you think? Like a number from 1 to 10, how much would you give these mats?
I would rate them on a 7-ish. I don't want to be too harsh on them because they do look nice, as we can see. They do look premium.
Yeah, they look okay.
They do feel premium though. I think it's vegan leather on this one, so it's alright. It feels alright, but the fitting is just crap. That's something that you wouldn't expect for something that costs $350. You would expect more. You would expect perfect fitting, or at least close to perfect. But hey, I paid a lot for this car and it doesn't feel well.
Yeah, I mean, when it comes to the mats, I agree with you. It should fit better when something costs $350, like
You'd
car
expect
mats.
a bit more. Yeah,
Yeah.
You'd expect a bit more.
7, I would have given like a 6, but this is just my humble opinion.
They look a bit better than it.
And would you recommend this company? Like people watching this, and
Well,
hopefully they're going to be many.
People watching, the millions watching these videos, I would say that for the moment there is no other better choice than these ones, because you can have this or you can have the standard ones done by Tesla, or all-weather ones, the rubber ones, which look awful.
Okay,
So for the moment you don't have much of a choice. It's this versus I have no idea
you
what else.
You mean for Tesla only, or like for any
For Tesla,
make?
for Tesla, obviously for Tesla.
Ah,
Because
okay.
I've seen these mats of some of my other friends' car, and they look brilliant.
Okay, so for other makes and models, you say that it actually looks brilliant, not just good. Because yeah, it does look good, but
it looks really nice. It looks really nice. It's just I think the problem is the way the Tesla was built, so I can blame it on the Tesla again. Don't get me wrong, this car has plenty of faults, but I still love it because as soon as I put my foot down, all goes well.
yeah, probably we're gonna do that in a different episode. Oh, thanks. Hopefully I look good.
Cool.
So in a future episode, we're gonna do like probably at some point a video where I have a trouser incident while he's accelerating this beast of a car.
So we gotta try Ludicrous plus.
How many horsepower? 7.
I think is 805 or something after
So-
the latest update. Can go a bit above 600 kilowatts, which is about 805
So this is
or
like
7 or something like that.
like an iPad after an
update.
an update works better or worse.
Exactly, yeah, better or worse, you never know.
I'm asking these questions because I'm not new to cars, but I'm new to
iPads with wheels.
yeah, something like that. When it comes to electric, I know nothing, but I guess this is the future.
Yep, EV, as they call it, is the future.
So guys, we had a lot of fun fitting these mats on the Tesla. Hopefully you will have fun watching these videos. And as Emmanuel said before, it's gonna be millions. Until the next video, ciao.
Stay tuned.